In this video, we will see how to view my password after logging in to TikTok. The first pass is open the app. In this case, it's TikTok. The next is go to the profile and select three lines. Select in this case settings and privacy. And next is go to the account. In this page, we have some information, but we go to select password. Here you enter 6-digit code. This code was sent to the phone number. In this case is this. Select, and here you will create a password. And in this line, your password must have at least 8 characters, for example, or one letter and one number, and one special character. Go back and select passkey. Set up a passkey for and select setup, create a new passkey, and well, passkey created. And this is all process for view my password after logging into TikTok. And that's all. If you like the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time.